Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the two-step or two-factor authentication for your Twitter account. Stay tuned. So to set up the two-factor or two-step authentication in Twitter, at the top of your window when you're logged into Twitter, click on your logo or your profile picture and then go down to settings and privacy. In here under account, should be highlighted already, you've got login verification. You want to click on review your login verification methods. It may ask you to confirm to log in again unless you're already authenticated. And then from this point here, you've got a few options for securing it. The simple one I've been showing you is through SMS or text messaging. You can go in to edit that and put in your telephone or cell phone number. You could also use a security key if you got one of those special USB type electronic keys where it can have a code generated for you there. And there's also other apps that you could use, such as Google Authenticator, which that requires a lot more advanced setup, because if your phone is lost or stolen or you end up wiping your phone, you need to really make sure you got your backup codes, because you won't be able to get back into your Twitter account without that. So with SMS, at least, even wiping your phone number is still the same. You'll still receive the same text messages even on a new phone. But with that, you can also go to generate a backup code here, or even a temporary password for the app specifically. So that's it for the Twitter authentication methods. If you like this video, found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and ring the bell to be notified every time a new video comes out. And you might want to check out one of these other videos that have been done as well for the other popular websites as well, and how you can set up two-factor authentication for them as well. That's it, and see you in the next video. Thanks a lot. Bye for now.